Today's topic is powerful. How to make someone absolutely obsessed with you. I've spoken about this before, but today we're going deeper. I'm going to teach you 3 crucial things. Chapter 1. How to deal with low-value people. 2. How to connect with high-value people. 3. And the most overlooked skill of all, situation awareness. Because too many people fall into relationships without ever understanding. Why is someone playing mind games with me? What's the psychology behind it? And how do I respond? In my previous video, I talked about how to build strong, meaningful connections with high-value individuals. How to treat them with respect, with protocol, with love, even beyond their expectations. I gave examples from my own life, my father, mother, siblings, wife, children, and even the people I meet in business. But then I read your comments, and it opened my eyes to something deeper. Many of you aren't surrounded by high-value people. You're stuck with low-value ones, people who don't appreciate love, who take your kindness as weakness. So let's clarify. How do you know if someone is high value or low value? It's simple. If you give them love and they return it, multiplied, they're high value. But if they return your love with ignorance, disrespect, they're low value. Now listen closely. When you're dealing with low value people, you cannot operate on normal emotional logic. You need to use something else. Dark psychology. A wise teacher once said, "Some people don't even deserve the courtesy you'd give at someone's grave." That's not cruelty. That's reality. Dark psychology is how you deal with people who hurt your peace, who degrade your worth, who torture your emotions, consciously or unconsciously. They ignore your calls. They leave your messages on read. They watch your WhatsApp status, but never reply. They play games. They want to be in your life, secretly, but not openly. And then you start questioning yourself. Why am I not enough? But listen, you are enough. They're just playing mind games. There's a story. A guy once got a custom diet plan from a famous expert. He gave that exact same plan to his girlfriend. They both followed it. Guess what happened? Her kidneys failed. Why? Because what works for one may destroy another. The same rule applies in relationships and psychology. You can't copy-paste emotional techniques. You need situation awareness. You need to know which strategy to use, on whom to use it, and when. That's where I come in, as a guide. As someone who's helped thousands. You see, if someone is low value and you give them love, attention, respect, and they throw it back at you, you don't walk away in pain. You use psychological tactics. You flip the script. You make them obsessed with you. How? You ignore them. Withdraw your attention. Apply pressure where it hurts emotionally. Suddenly, the one who ignored your calls is calling you back. The one who left your messages unread is now messaging you non-stop. That's the power of understanding the human mind. But here's the warning. If you don't learn this, then someone else will use these tricks on you, and you'll keep falling, emotionally, mentally, even physically. So protect your heart. Use your mind. Recognize who's high value and treat them with love. But if someone is low value, don't let them play you. Play the game better. If someone plays mind games with you, you must learn to play back. Because sometimes, using dark psychology on dark people is the greatest kindness you can show. Take care of yourself. Be strong. And never let anyone dim your light.